Assalamu alaikum dear students. This is our lesson number 9, and once again we are going to substitute the values in the given equations, and we are going to find out the value of the unknown. Now this is question number 8, exercise 5b, page number 121. We have been given with this equation v square is equal to u square plus 2gs, and we also have been given with the value of v as 25, u as 12, and the value of g as 10, and we have to calculate the value of variable s. So you can see here in this next step I have substituted the value of v as 25. So I have written here 25 square, and that is equal to the value of u I replaced there as 12, so 12 square plus 2, and multiplied by the value of g, which is 10, and multiplied with the variable s. And we have to calculate the variable s, so its value is not given there. Now in the next step I have to expand these terms. So 25 square means 625, that is equal to square of 12, which is 144, plus 2 times 10, which is going to be 20s. Now we have to solve this equation for the value of s, so I'm going to shift the terms. So I shifted 144 on the left hand side with the negative sign, because whenever we shift the terms we need to change sign. So 625 minus 144 will give me 481 on the left hand side, and the 20s, the right hand side, is carried down as it is. Now in the next step, as 20 was multiplied on the right hand side with the variable s, so when I have to shift it on the other side I have to do inverse operation. So it is going to be divided on the other side. So 481 divided by 20, and then convert this into a mixed number as 24 whole 1 over 20. So that's our answer. Now let's have a look at question number 13 of exercise 5b. Once again we have been given with this formula or an equation, a is equal to b over c minus b, and once again we have been given with the value of a, and that is 3, and the value of c, and this is given as 10, and we have to calculate the value of the variable b. So once again I have substituted the value of a as 3 on the left hand side and the value of c as 10 in the right hand side. So my equation becomes 3 equal b over 10 minus b. Now this 3 on the left hand side, this can be written as 3 over 1, because 3 is same as 3 over 1, and then we have to go for cross multiplication. So when we go for the cross multiplication, I can write b cross 1 equal 3 into 10 minus b. Now on the left hand side, b multiplied by 1 gives you b, because whenever we multiply any number by 1, it does not change the identity of that number or variable. On the right hand side, 3 is to be multiplied by both the terms inside the bracket. So 3 multiplied by 10 give you 30, and 3 into minus b give you minus 3b. Now it's pretty easy to solve it further. We have to shift this minus 3b on the left hand side, and I have to change its sign according to the rule of shifting terms, and then I have simplified this left hand side, b plus 3b as 4b, and 30 is to be carried down as it is, and then this 4 on the left hand side, when I have to move it on to the right hand side, this is going to divide the other side. So 30 over 4, and then cancel both the numbers by 2. So 215 times 30, 2 times 4, and then convert this 15 by 2 into a mixed fraction. So this is how it is done. Now here on the next slide you can see your classwork, which is question number 11 from exercise 5b, and your homework is question number 15. So that's all for the day. Take care.